Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to review a brand new model of Tom Ford frames. So these 5401 Tom Ford frames are super cool. They come in these three really cool colors. The smoky kind of amber transparent ones, the more grayish transparent ones, and these more tortoise ones. An extra really super cool feature are that they also come with this clip-on. So you can transform your prescription glasses into sunglasses just by clicking on this extra clip-on. And there you go. Suddenly they're sunglasses instead of prescription glasses. So they fit all personalities, unisex, fits with whatever you're wearing, your eye color, everything. There's a color for everyone. Thanks guys, you can find all of these different colors at our website and also purchase any frame color you like as well as the additional clip-on if you prefer having the extra sunglass feature. Thank you for liking and subscribing as always, and see you in the next review.